Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Look what I have here. This is one of these big boxes from Scrawlrbox I purchased recently, and this is the watercolor collection, and the value of this box is £50. I also got some extra Unisigno white gel pens. I really like these pens for my illustration and watercolor paintings. They are absolutely fantastic. I think these were about £3 something each, but I paid for everything about £14, and that's because I accumulated points, and you know what, I just used them all. Why not? Okay, so let me show you what I got from this box. I got a Derwent water brush, a round one, lovely. I've got a 2B Derwent sketching pencil, very nice. I've got some paint brushes. I love paint brushes, I collect them, it doesn't matter the size or the brand. So I am very happy with these ones. I have a 2 number 8 and 1 number 6. I have Faber-Castell 0.7 liner in black, absolutely fantastic, very chunky, I love it. I've got 6 Aquafine watercolor paints. I've never tried these ones before. I did get them in the Scrawlr box a couple of years ago, maybe 3 years ago, I can't remember, but I never tried them, so I'm gonna use them today. Very nice selection of colors, perfect. I've got a knittable eraser, but I'm not going to use this one today because I am using another one at the moment, so I had to put it somewhere safe. And I've got these beautiful Viviva watercolor paints. I really like the colors, and I like these paints very much, so I'm very happy with this one of my favorite. And I've got these 2 Jackman's paints. I have never tried these paints before, so that will be very interesting to use, but not today. I've got these 2 colors, the pearlescent pink shimmer and mint green shimmer. They look really nice. It was hard to open these little pots, but the colors are really nice. I really like them. And this is what it looks like. Okay. It's always good to try something new. I've also got the Peerless watercolors, and I really like them. I've also got these Derwent watercolor pencils. I haven't tried these ones either, so I am gonna use them today in this video. Oh, let me tell you the colors. So, terracotta, ivory black, and Prussian blue. And I've got another paintbrush, absolutely fantastic, number 1. So I've got 4 paintbrushes. I'm very happy with that. And another liner, this is smaller, this is 0.3, the Uniball. end, I've got 3 lovely watercolor paper. I did try this one, it's really good. And this is one of my favorite, really good paper, especially for illustration. Nice and soft. And this one, I haven't tried this paper before, so I am gonna be using it today. So this is a very nice paper as well. I'm looking forward to using it. And this is all I got from this box. I am very happy with every single item, especially the watercolors, and I'm gonna be trying these aquafine watercolor paints. Yeah, so I'm gonna put everything back in the box. I'm gonna set everything up on the table, and I'll be back to you in a bit. So I have decided to do a portrait of one of my woodlands creatures. So I'm doing a series of those. So I am very excited to try these new paints. So enjoy the process, guys, and see you by the end of this video. See you in a bit. And here it is, another woodlands creature. I really enjoyed creating her. I wanted to paint her for a long time. I did a sketch of her a while back. I'm gonna show you the sketch in a second. Here it is. They don't look alike, kind of, but I am really happy how she turned out. And I really enjoyed using the paints as well. As you can see, they are nice and vibrant. I like my gel pen and the liners. The paint brushes are fantastic. The watercolor pencils are very nice. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will coming back very soon with a new project. See you very soon. Bye bye.